It is much cheaper and just as delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make Chipotle at home. What's up guys, it's Alexia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the recipe that I use to make Chipotle for myself at home. I like to experiment with things because obviously I'm not in the restaurant, so I have access to more materials, so you can always play around with the ingredients that I use. But this recipe is highly effective for making a super healthy lunch or dinner, and it costs a lot less than going to Chipotle and buying it yourself. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos on how to make your favorite restaurant foods at home. Without further ado, let's get right to the video. Here are some of the ingredients that you can use to make your Chipotle bowl at home. For this meal, I decided to have a Chipotle salad, so my base was romaine lettuce. If you prefer the bowl with rice, you can add either white or brown rice or any kind of rice that you have at home, and it will make the meal more filling. Of course, you're going to want some type of beans, so in this case I used garbanzo beans because that's what I had at home, and also some type of meat. So I know that meat is kind of restricted right now, so I've been using cold cuts instead. I always like to add salsa along with fresh tomatoes. Last, I either add an avocado or guacamole based on what I have in the house. The first step is to cut the romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. Of course, make sure that you give it a nice wash before you do this. I've been tossing mine into a salad spinner because I like to wash it one more time before I eat it. Next, you want to cut up the fresh ingredients, so start by cutting the avocado. I like to cut right down the middle and twist it to open it up. Then I just take my baby tomatoes and cut them into smaller bite-sized pieces. Once you've washed the salad thoroughly, you can begin placing it in the bowl. Of course, if you're adding rice, add the rice before you add the leaves. Next, you can add the meat. In this case, I was using cold cut turkey. And after you have enough meat, you can begin to add your beans. I like to add my tomatoes at the top of the salad, that way it's more visible and it allows for a colorful and more vibrant salad. Now you see me adding the salsa. If you're not going to take a photo of it, you could just kind of add it randomly, but I like to put it in one spot so it looks more photogenic. And then here comes the avocado in the skin because we're about to take a photo. And bam, you guys could see that this salad looks so delicious, but there's a few more things you need to do before you can eat it. Of course, you're going to want to scoop the avocado out from the shell, that way you can eat it. If you're using guacamole, you won't really have this issue. You can also add some final toppings like corn, sour cream, or cheese, whatever you like on your Chipotle bowl. Alright, and that is the recipe, and you end up with a delicious looking bowl like this. This is such a healthy lunch, so I totally recommend that you guys try this recipe out at home. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Definitely make sure to try it out at home, and if you do, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.